light show. So can everyone give the koalas a big hand? I think that was very beautiful. Everyone, good job, koalas! Okay. So now, Ashley, teacher, is going to give a little lesson on the alphabet and maybe some vowels, maybe some consonants. So let's see, who is a good listener?
Okay, koalas, are you sitting nicely?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see who's sitting down the best. Ooh, huh, very good. Okay, are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do we learn at PSA, everyone? Oh, we learn English at PSA in koala, right? Okay, and in English we have two kinds of letters. What are they? Okay, consonant and vowel. So the first one is consonant, and the second one is vowel. Okay, so here you are. Okay, so from now on, I want some koalas come up here and to find some consonant letters. Okay, who wants to find the consonant letter? Okay, Josephine, come up. And can you find any consonant letter, please? Okay, thank you. Okay, so what's this letter, everyone?
W.
This is W. What does the W make? What sound? Okay, thank you, Josephine. What W? So this is W. And anybody else? Juno, come here. Okay, so what is it, Juno? Z. This is also another consonant in alphabet. Thank you, Juno. And who else? Okay, Mina. Find some consonant letter among these. Okay. So what is this, Mina? X. So this is X, as we learned 100 times.
100.
Okay, next one. Oh, are you sure? Okay. Thank you, huh? What is this, everyone? Is this consonant? Yeah. So this is consonant. Very good. Who's sitting down nicely? And raise their hand. Okay, Isabel, come here. Find more consonant. Where's the consonant letter?
Sakdari?
Do you think it's a consonant letter? Yeah. What is this, everyone?
G.
Thank you, Isabel. Okay. What else? Melody. Where's the other consonant letter hiding? Okay. What is this letter, Melody? Q. Okay, thank you, Melody. What sound does the Q make? Q. So this is other consonant letter. Thank you, Melody. And Ethan? Any other consonant letter? Okay, thank you. What is this? H. So what is it again? H, which is consonant letter. Thank you. And who else didn't do this yet? Okay, Sally, come up. Any other consonant letter? Oh. So, can you find other consonant letter, please? Except 5 vowels.
5 vowels.
Except
5 vowels.
Give you.
Hurry up.
Start with the j. Which one makes j sound? Okay, thank you. So what is it? Sally? J. This is other consonant letter. Thank you, Sally. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 2 more. Chelsea, come on. Speak in English words. Okay, so what is this letter? N. Thank you, Chelsea. This is other consonant letter. 1 left. 1 more. Okay, Sarah, come up here. Oh, what is this letter, everyone? K. consonant letter too. Thank you, Sarah. So now we're going to find the vowel. This is very important today. Okay, so who's gonna find the vowel letter? We haven't done it yet. Okay, Aiden, come up here. And can you find any vowel letters? Okay, what is this, Aiden? E. See, this is the first vowel sound. Vowel letter. See? And who else can find? Can Wendy? Oh, what is this? A. This is another vowel letter. Thank you, Wendy. And who's next? Okay, Ari, come on. Can you find the other vowel letter? Oh yeah, thank you. This is the third vowel letter. Okay, thank you, Ari. We have two more who haven't done it yet. Han, you did it?
No.
No?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Casey, come on.
No. Oh no.
So what's this letter? Oh, this is the fourth vowel letter. And the last one. Han. Come up here. Final vowel letter, please. Are you sure about that? Han, are you sure about that? Vowel letter?
No.
Really? Remember the song. What is the vowel song? Then what is the final vowel letter? Can you find it again, please? A-E-I-O-U, Okay, thank you, Han. So this is the last vowel letter. So, okay, thank you, Kolas. These are vowel letters in alphabet, and the rest of the alphabets are all consonant. Okay, so we are going to watch a movie about vowel letters from now on. So please sit down nicely and look at the screen carefully. Okay? Okay. Who's sitting down the nicest? Let me see. Okay, hands up. Oh, okay.